Okay, it's recording.
Because it's funny how it's so entertaining.
You gotta put this on funny some videos.
We have to.
Oh my. It's like, I don't
That
want
was
to
cool.
anymore.
Oh shit, he's still coming.
Not playing no games anymore.
Do tackle him.
Sexy Mufasa. He's like, I'm going. Tail.
It's watching for that behavior. It's watching.
He's like, fuck, what's that?
Oh no, I can't put that.
No shit.
That was a nice jump.
Skills. Skills.
Pretty kitty.
I love how you can just make him jump in there.
Beautiful woman. Beautiful man over there. Kitty jump, boom, kaboom.
Do a double jump.
Kaboom.
Jump and then jump again. I'll bring it up. Ooh, don't get feisty with me. Yeah, jump. Yeah, jump. Hey! Somebody's just sticking. Are you stuck?
Kitty in a box.
I was trying to help.
It's a kitty in a cylinder.
Kitty in this?
Nah, it doesn't have the same ring.
Don't be.
Kitty in a box.
What you doing, dude? It knows what you're doing too.
Nah, dude, it was actually staring at you.
It was, I know. It's mad at me now. It's like, you fucked with the wrong kitty today.
Come on, super jump. One more.
One more, we'll
One
stop.
more.
We promise. Then we'll get you addicted to crack.
Come on, super jump.
You have to hold it in one spot so he can get his leg, ready. Boom!
Super jump. Come on, Key.
Do it again.
Yeah, right
You
there.
know,
Just
it's like
leave
that-
it.
you
Leave
guys
it.
said I was
No,
done.
leave it right there. Leave it
You
right
guys said I
there.
was done. I was coming to me.
Leave it right there.
I'm just gonna push it.
There we go.
That was a good jump. My arm
This
hurts.
cat hops.
Good job. You know what you deserve? You deserve a bag of treats. Hey, girl. Feed yourself. I'm joking. You can't do that. It's still, yeah. I can
Whisker lickers?
Yeah!
Oh, whisker
Hey,
licking.
hey, whiskey. Kitty, kitty. Smell it. Follow. 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 Slam dunk.
It's in here, stupid.
You're done, done.
Oh, there's a staple in there too. That's not so good.
Hey, kitty. Mufasa. Mufasa.
Stupid.
Mufasa.
See?
Mufasa.
Call it
Mufasa.
stupid. It sounds so stupid.
That way.
Mufasa. There you go, boo. Are you dumb?
Dude, they're under here.
He never gets it.
Kitty.
He's too high. He just wants the food. Eh? Follow, follow, follow. Come get the tree. Stop being a
Just want to
dummy.
play with your stuff. Eat this one so that you know what you're going for. You eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
There he goes.
There you go. Eat that shit. Oh, look, I got another one. You want this one too? You just swallowed that thing whole.
I thought he was gonna jump for it.
Dude, you can't swing that. Oh, it's like it.
But he found it.
It did. He knocked it over on purpose.
Yeah, you
Now
gotta
it
get
knows
it.
where it is.
He's too dumb. He just doesn't get it. I want to eat one of these now. They smell good.
No.
Oh man, dude. Dude, I've eaten dog beef jerky before.
I've eaten dog food
That's
before.
disgusting.
Dude, I ate them. I ate dog food.
They're
Hey,
very
quit it. Mufasa! Mufasa!
Stupid.
Mufasa! Mufasa! Mufasa. Mufasa. Listen. Here. Give me that magazine. Should I shoot one at him like a dog?
Oh fuck yes. That's awesome.
That's wrong.
No,
It
fella.
fell
What you got me doing?
No, dude, just grip it.
Hey, do it. Mufasa.
Like Indiana Jones.
Mufasa.
Just like Indiana Jones.
He's dumb.
Hey. He still don't know where it is. Yep.
Dude, I'll give you $5 if you can answer butthole.
Just a minute ago, you were like, "That's wrong."
It's funny now. Now that I'm reminded of the time that it hurt me.
Yeah, position it right. Get him to stand up.
Where'd he go?
Stand up,
Oh,
kitty.
you got it. Stand up, kitty.
How do I get his butthole?
Remember $5.
Oh.
Jackpot.
You better eat them all.
He only eats like 2.
I'm not paying you to sit on your ass. I pay my cat. Yes, I do. It's like Ray Bulldog.
That's alright. It's like there's no more. Seriously, turn around, stupid.
Oh my god, he's dumb.
No, you gotta
He
leave.
literally has problems.
Oh, he's like, oh.
That's where they were. I misplaced them.
I thought they were on the other side of me.
Ooh, piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
No, keep going. He's like, I think this spot really does have.
Ooh, piece of candy.
Dude, there's more candy just right there. What if just like puked all over Billy's shoe?
I'm gonna pick up that cat and punch him.
You would punt him?
Yeah.
That's dangerous for both of you.
It is. Not hit yourself, Dylan.
I think it's disappointing that there's no one. It's like I should have conserved.
Should have put some in my bowl. I swear to God,
I should have put some in my cheek.
I threw a cigarette at the cat. He put it in his bowl for later.
No, he didn't really. Wow, that is so cool. I love this cat.
It's a miracle cat.
Should I take him to Oregon, or do you want to take him home?
Do you want to take the cat all the way to
Not
Oregon?
really. I think he'll die. So I think you should take it. You can just come here and watch him. Make sure he has enough food and agua.
Well, either way, one of his toys is at my house.
He's no boo-boo. Mufasa!
Mufasa.
What was that? I think he peed on your leg.
That's Kitty Jizz. He's so
He just like jumps and squirts. He just like, and he doesn't even have to make a sound.
lands gracefully and then it goes takes a nap for like half an hour and comes back and does it again. But only for bread. That'd be funny. At the end of the day, he looked like a Dalmatian.
You got catfish on your leg.
Huh?
Fuck.
That's
Stupid.
Yeah,
The Dragon Quest game's gonna be pretty sick, yeah.
Really? Do you quest for dragons?
No.
What do you quest for?
You quest for things.
What are the things?
Things that aren't dragons.
What are they?
Monsters. You still filming?
No.
Yeah, you are.
What a liar.
You can only film for 24 minutes, so don't use all my video on this one video, because I do want to film other
Okay, then say goodbye.